third grade Your Turn practice book. We're going to work on pages 43 through 45 together today. Read the passage. Use the ask and answer question strategy to tell about the most important details of the passage. Building a landmark. Have you ever made a sandcastle? Maybe you've built something in the snow or dirt. Have you thought that something you made on land would last for a long time though? In Ohio, there are Native American mounds on the land. These mounds have been there for thousands of years. The Ohio mounds act as landmarks or important sites. They also help us understand our country's history. Native American tribes created Ohio's mounds. Today, there are over 70 mounds left. People visit them each year. One of these mounds is called Serpent Mound. It is 1,370 feet long. The mound looks like a big snake. This is the world's largest burial mound. Objects from other tribes are in Serpent Mound. This makes researchers think that many tribes made the mound. A lot of tribes might have made this one mound to share. The mounds are different shapes. Miamisburg Mound is shaped like a cone. It is the largest cone mound in Ohio. It is believed that a Dana tribe made this mound. There are 116 steps. Visitors can climb them to the top. How did the tribes make these mounds? At 4 ancient mounds, people used clamshells to dig the dirt. They also used sticks. They carried the dirt for the mounds in baskets. The baskets weighed about 40 pounds. Do you know why a tribe would want to build these mounds? Some people say they were used as a calendar. The mounds have walls that total 18,000 feet in length. This means carrying dirt to build them was a lot of hard work. The Newark earthworks are geometric mounds. They are the world's largest set like this. Researchers think these mounds were used to study stars. They might have been used for gatherings too. Cultures leave behind stories. Some stories are in books. Some are in artwork. In Ohio, Native American tribes left behind mounds. Not all questions about the mounds have been answered, but these landmarks have still helped us learn more of our country's history. Social and sacred places. Some researchers think that the Ohio River Valley mounds were used for social reasons. Others think they were for ceremonial reasons. Today you can visit them. Maybe you can come up with your own answer of how the mounds were used. Let's go to page 45. Ask and answer questions. Reread the passage and answer the questions. So now's a good time to pause the video and go back and read this story one more time. And when you're back, number 1, what are 3 key details in paragraph 4? So what I'm going to do is go back and I'm going to number my paragraphs so that I know which one's paragraph 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now, key details are the details about the text that help us understand. So first, the question is, how did the tribes make these mounds? So details would be explaining how they made the mounds. So here it says they used clamshells to dig and sticks. They carried the dirt. The baskets weighed 40 pounds. And then it answers why they built the mounds, maybe for a calendar, and carrying was hard work. Okay, so 3 key details. I'm going to put 1, 2, 3. The tribes used clamshells and sticks to dig dirt. They carried the dirt in baskets, and the baskets weighed about 40 pounds. Those are good details for how they made the mounds. How are these details connected? The details are connected because they all support the question, how did tribes make these mounds? What is the main idea of the whole passage? So if we were to go back and read this entire story all over again, the main idea would be that Native Americans made mounds. And the whole entire text is all about that main idea. Now, B at the bottom says, work with a partner and read the passage aloud. Pay attention to accuracy and phrasing. Stop after 1 minute and fill in the chart. So the first time you read, maybe you get to this word here, makes, you write 122. The next time maybe you get to 133, and then if you made any errors, you put a subtraction. So I'm going to put, maybe I got 122 for 1 minute, 133 for the next. I made 2 errors, so my score is 120. And this time I didn't make any errors, I was more accurate. And my score that time would be 133.